Vocabulary Chipper Chat on Super Duper's digital library. Now you can target challenging vocabulary skills while playing a game your students already love. Start by adding a student and selecting a topic to target during the game. In addition to the menu options in the original Chipper Chat, select Pick Card to be able to choose a specific card for personalized instruction. Click Next. Select a card to be presented to the student. Click Card if you would like to present another card within the same turn. Close out at any time to continue gameplay. If Pick Card is not selected, a card will be chosen at random within the student's assigned category. Click Card to present another card in the same turn. Enjoy the same exciting Chipper Chat gameplay. Spin the spinner, collect the chips, and watch them disappear on the magic wand. The first player to fill their board, or has the most chips at the end of the session, wins. Thank you for using the Super Duper Digital Library. We hope this helps you reach your therapy goals.